Today, we will learn how to trade in tough market conditions and how to make clever price action decisions. We will get help from our beloved trading indicator for finding great trade zones. No more empty talks. If you're ready, let's do this. Let's work on our trading skills and discover the importance of cost average trading techniques. See, this is the Solana chart. If you noticed, price is heavily crashing in the last 3 days. We are quite bearish here. First, price swept up top with the swing failure pattern and started crashing a lot. Also notice how it swept the equal highs above. Very nice, a classic price action there. Price was crashing into this previous week low. There was also this nice SR flip location, a great area for reaction as well as a target. Actually, it crashed and swept the previous week low when I was working on the video. You can notice the image on the bottom left. From now on, price may use these $150 areas as a fuel and rally upwards, who knows. We will be watching the price action more and more in the upcoming next week. When I dropped to the 1-hour chart, the first thing that I noticed, the price swept the previous day low as well, but it did not react to it, a very strong crash. In this case, PDL actually becomes a resistance to short more and more. Now, if I open my multi-time frame indicator on the right and check out the location, it is not just the previous day low, but also multi-level imbalance area as well. So all in all, I have a great entry location and a great targets below. But I always fail at entries, so what else can I do? Let's talk about that. One more time, you should have a mastery on finding overall entry zones and the overall targets areas like this. This should be the easy part. Hard part will be the entries. First of all, I mark this inner 5-minute imbalance to tighten my entry location. Now, someone also asked me how to trade and draw the OTE Fibonacci from exactly which point. Remember, smart money concepts are just man-made concepts. Like people, you and me made all these. These are not absolute God-given rules. So do not overthink. This is just an idea. The idea is that the price should be cheap enough to be long or short. Now everything is set. In this case, I noticed this inner MSP, the market structure break. Finally, I am about to enter the trade and get rich. I will be a millionaire today. It is decided. With the small pullback, I have entered the trade. Oh, what happened here? I got just stopped out, but everything was perfect, right? Why God, why me? In this case, you ask. Why did I have to be the liquidity? Then I noticed another structure break and set my order one more time. This time I'll be richer than Elon Musk. Nothing can stop me, right? Again, what happened here? This time the price never pulled back. So at the end, I have wasted all day in front of the computer. All I did was lose money and miss trades. God is my witness, I hate trading. These are the probably things that you are saying right now, right? Then there is the only solution left for you. If you cannot handle the RR risk-reward setups like these ones. With the first MSB market structure break, I am entering the trade. Like a regular risk and reward setup, but this time with partial and small order. I set my second limit order to the liquidity point above, the place that I have normally placed my stop loss if I have used a risk reward. I also set another small limit order above into the deep OTE zone. I have 3 orders set to the logical places. No precision, no sniper entry, or no missing the trade. I have a plan this time to build a cost average entry like this with logical and smart entry locations. In this case, for this example, only YOYO 1 and YOYO 2 entry locations work. Price never do a deeper pullback to the OTE zones. I basically create an average entry between my limit orders. Again, no precision required, no sniper entry required, no more waiting hours and hours to enter a trade, no more missing trades. Just a simple cost average technique with small and partial entries. If you are in my investing masterclass, you will notice the working agents have a similar methods. What we do is small and periodic entries. Okay people, this was a nice practical video. Take care for now, see you in the next video. If you have completed the free trading course and feel like you improved your trading skills, but you need more, an extra, a boost, and you want to move to the next level in your trading life, my masterclass is ready for you. You will learn liquidity, inefficiencies, and structure mastery deeply. We will look at forward and reverse trading with momentum super boxes. You will learn how to confirm your entries with magic alignment system. Finally, you will discover a strategy called YOYO Strategy, which will open new doors for you about taking and managing trades. If you are interested, you